In front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Notifications. Then you need to tap on Manage App Notifications, and by tapping on blue switchers next to your apps, block all notifications from them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same, now grey switchers. You can also tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!